Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Wildgate game stuck on loading screen, not loading or not launching, not opening error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once it is updated, now launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, you have to select your game. Click on the three dot icon, click on manage. Now in the launch option, you have to first enable it. After that, you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, you have to go to the games. Here is the game application. So this is the game application. Here you have to select it, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage and here you can see verify option, simply click on it. So it will take some time to verify the files. Once the files are verified, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game if it's listed. So let me search for the game. So if you cannot find the game, don't worry, you have to add it. For that, click on add, allow another app, then go to the browse section. Now here you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to Epic Games, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, after selecting the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK and after that launch the game and check if it is working. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable them. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play, so it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. After the file is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair option and wait for some time. Now after this, close it and restart your PC. Once after restarting, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder. So after that, select under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Wildgate game. So for that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely delete the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Again, launch Epic Games and reinstall Wildgate game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.